Team 3D, and I want to tell you more about the attachment that Dash has. As you can see, it's changed from the last video because many parts of the team have added on their own designs. Craig, since he's the leader of the team, he is the one that gave this beautiful bulldozer that keeps it together and the tape. JP gave the pencil since he's so generous. Kelsey gave her knife that she always holds around. The junk lord, because he has so much, he gave out the rubber bands and this attachment that Dash has in his head. Kit, since she loves gardening, she gave the spoon that she uses as a shovel and the lemon that we're going to use to disable the trap. And Zoe, since she leads the cardboard city, she gave a small piece of her cardboard. Thank you for watching.